Alright, this is a quick tutorial on Google Chrome profiles and how to make new ones and edit them and stuff like that. And these profiles are basically just a quick way to sign into other Google accounts on Google Chrome. And these are typically used for computers that consistently have many different users, such as like workplaces or schools and so on. So if you go to the top right here, this is currently my account, and it shows other profiles down here. Typically, you only have guest as your other profile if you don't already have other ones put in. And there's also an add button here to add a new profile. You can also go to the gear icon here that says manage profiles. Click there, and you get a full list of your profiles here. And then from here, you can edit them, delete them. So if I hit edit here, you can change the theme color, change your avatar, stuff like that. But from here, you just want to add a new profile, you can hit add. And then from here, you would just sign in into a Google account and set up a profile for each user. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this was helpful.